Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I am going to talk all about engineering and technology education in India. I will tell you about the qualities required in a candidate or who is the right candidate to pursue engineering and technology education in India. I will talk to you about the degree options which are available in India in the area of engineering and technology, the eligibility criteria for most of these degree programs, entrance exams at the national level which are available, and what professions one can get into after finishing an engineering and technology degree in India. Starting with the quality check, I need the candidate to be very high on academic orientation. Whether you are good with people orientation or not does not matter. Whether you are good with creative orientation or not does not matter. Along with that, the child should be good in mathematics and sciences with affinity towards technology. One should have interest in latest machines, gadgets, and should show inclination towards repairing things. One should have ability to spend long hours with books and or computers during study and also during the practical application in the field. The degree options which one can pursue in India in engineering and technology area can be BE, that is Bachelor of Engineering, BTech, Bachelor of Technology. You can also go for a combination BE ME, which is an integrated program, or a BTech MTech, which is an integrated program. There is a special degree available at NIFTs known as BF Tech, that is Bachelor of Fashion Technology. And of late, there are few colleges who have also started a integrated 6-year program which the candidate can join after 10th, which is a diploma plus BTech. And as you can see, the eligibility for this 6-year course would be just 70% marks in grade 10 with mathematics and general science or combination of physics, chemistry, mathematics at grade 10 level. Entrance exams at the national level for engineering technology in India are primarily JEE main and advanced, which most of the children know, but also there are a lot of private universities or private colleges which take their own entrance exams. For example, Birla Institute takes its own entrance exam known as BITSAT. Vellore Institute of Technology takes its own entrance exam. Symbiosis takes its own entrance exam. Then there is SRM, Narsee Monjee, Manipal University, KIIT University. Also, there are state level certain entrance exams. For example, UP takes its own entrance exam for the institutions falling under the UP Technical University. Same is true with Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, and so on and so forth. The professions which one can get into after finishing their degree program would be becoming an engineer in the area of aerospace, aeronautical, aircraft maintenance, automobile, biochemical, biological sciences, biomedical, ceramic, chemical, civil, computer sciences, electrical, electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and electrical, electronics and instrumentation, engineering physics, engineering science, environmental, fire technology, food and nutrition, food technology, genetic engineering, geoinformatics, industrial and systems engineering, instrumentation engineering, leather technology, manufacturing science, marine engineering, material science, mathematics and computing, mechanical, mechatronics, metallurgical, mineral, mining, mining machinery, naval architecture, ocean engineering, petrochemical, petroleum, plastic, polymer, production, robotics, and or textile engineering. There are also few colleges which offer hybrid engineering courses, which may be EEE, electronics, electrical and environmental engineering, or EEC, electrical, electronics and communication engineering, and so on. So according to the specialized branch which you take in your graduation, you will be able to practice that in the industry. I hope this video gives you some clarity towards engineering as a profession and course of education in India. In case you have any questions, please feel free to write your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 888 111. You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.